Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be fixing the charging port of a Tecno Camon 15. Right now, it charges, but it needs to give it a bit of a wiggle before it works. So we're going to just going to get that fixed. So first off, I'm going to switch it off. Get that start. Then we take it apart. Yeah, just put that safely on this side. Still going off. Let's start taking out some of the screws. Okay. A bit stubborn, so we're just going to open all of them out and then turn them over. Leave them all over. There we go. See, now it's starting to wiggle. And then we're buttoning it up. Take this. You can see this is the sub board where the charging port is housed, the headphone jack is also housed, and the network terminal is connected down here. This is also what connects this to the panel of the device. If you look closely, this flex runs from the bottom down to the main board, subboard to subboard. So this entire unit is called the sub board or the sub panel, however you should call it. It's become cheaper and easier to just replace the whole thing than to start trying to remove just the charging port and fixing it back. So that is exactly what we're going to do. I got a new one right here, and we'll just take it out and fix it back in. No stress. Put this back here. Give that a click. Okay. Okay. Before we start coupling back up, please. Okay. Got a bit of a problem. Okay, there you go. Charging port, I won't change. Let's get back into it. Let's test this out for a couple of weeks. So as you can see here, we have the charging logo showing, and even when I try to shake the charger, it still charges. Right, it's a bit more steady. When I take it out, it stops charging. When I plug it in, back to charging. Take it out, stops charging. Take it out, stops charging, and plug it back in. It's charging. So everything works well. We're also going to test the speakers, the headphone jack, and the vibration motor just to make sure everything works well. With that can cool. It's easier to test when in fact you can't test the speakers without it being on. So we need to place that back on it. And right now we can see vibration. I can feel the vibration coming when I click these buttons. When I click on these numbers here. So let's just couple it up. Okay, final testing. Good, and we're good to go. So, thank you for watching.